What if your city, your campus, your community never ran out of water? Not rationed, not trucked in, not dependent on aging pipes or distant reservoirs, just clean, pure, mineral-balanced drinking water, generated on-site every single day from nothing but the air around you. Meet the WaterGen Gen-L. The Gen-L is WaterGen's flagship large-scale atmospheric water generator, built for the demands of communities, institutions, and operations that simply cannot afford water insecurity. This is industrial-grade water independence. Every single day, the Gen-L harvests up to 6,000 liters, that's over 1,585 gallons, of premium drinking water. No wells, no municipal pipelines, no delivery trucks, just a standard three-phase power connection and water, reliably at scale. The Gen-L was engineered for the real world: villages, municipalities, university campuses, and mining operations. Because Gen-L units can be networked together into water production farms, scale is never a ceiling. It's a starting point. At the core of every Gen-L is WaterGen's patented Genius heat exchange system, a condensation technology that pulls moisture directly from the ambient air and converts it into water with remarkable energy efficiency. It operates across demanding real-world conditions, starting from just 15 degrees Celsius and 20% relative humidity, far below what most competing atmospheric water generators can handle. And it does this at 350 watt-hours per liter, a benchmark that outperforms conventional systems that run at 700 watt-hours or higher. Every liter the Gen-L produces passes through a rigorous multi-stage purification cascade: sub-micron air barrier filtration, sediment filtration, activated carbon, and UVC germicidal sterilization. Finally, mineral balancing achieves the ideal pH and drinking quality taste. The result? Water that is crisp, clean, and fully compliant with international drinking water safety standards. Not just safe, excellent. Every Gen-L deployment eliminates the need for plastic water bottles, delivery logistics, and the carbon footprint that comes with both. In partnership with the American Red Cross, FEMA, and national governments worldwide, WaterGen was recognized as a World Economic Forum technology pioneer and has received multiple CES Innovation Awards. Water from air isn't a concept, it's a proven operating reality at scale. Visit qualitywatertreatment.com today to connect with a distributor, request a quote, or schedule a live demonstration, because the air around you is already carrying the answer.